Good morning, dear aspirant. To start with today's news, India-Bangladesh relations and economic development. So, India withdraws transshipment facility for Bangladesh. So, exports citing that there is a congestion in Indian ports and airports for that reason. So, this move actually will get a most impact in ready-made garment export from Bangladesh to Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, which is routed through India. So, Ministry of External Affairs, they say that it is not an intention to affect the Bangladesh-Nepal Bhutan trade, but it actually because of the trade route congestion as per their ministry. So, India-Bangladesh port connectivity. So, agreement for usage of Chittagong and Mongla ports operationalized in 2023 allows India to use these Bangladeshi ports to transit cargo, particularly to the northeast, which is landlocked. So, protocol on inland water transit and trade facilitates the movement of goods and people through inland waterways connecting the two countries and enabling trade and transit. Indo-Bangladesh Protocol route allow inland vessels of one country to transit through the specified routes of other country. And Agartala Rail Connect, inaugurated 2023, connects Bangladesh with India northeast through Tripura. And Khulna Mongla Port rail line. This project aims to connect Mongla Port with the existing rail network in Khulna. So, RBI cuts repo rate by 0.25%. So, 0.25% RBI cut repo rate by 25 Mbps to 6%, reduced from previous 6.7%. So, RBI cut repo rate by 25 Bps to 6%, citing slowdown due to global trade tensions. The MPC Monetary Policy Committee voted anonymously shifted to accommodative. This move is expected to reduce interest burden on home, auto and corporate loans. So, impact of RBI's rate cut decision. RBI rate cut. Central Bank reduces repo rates by 0.25% to 6%. So, commercial bank reduce lending rate for customer, that is called bank's lower rates. Increased borrowing stimulates investment and consumption. The cheaper loan for home, auto and corporate loans become more affordable. Trade war concerns affecting growth. So, for global friction will be happen, and also understanding repo rate. It is used to control money supply, inflation and economic growth. Wildfires and carbon emissions in 2025. So, Arctic boreal zone turning into carbon source. Global warming affecting Arctic regions faster than global average. So, that is rising temperature and increasing wildfire, carbon release, permafrost thawing, that is frozening soil melting also happening. Climate also, it keep on rising temperature, enhanced warming, that loop in the Arctic. India's 63,000 crore Rafale M deal. The Cabinet Committee approved 63,000 crore deal to procure 26 Rafale M fighter jets for Indian Navy from France. Okay, Rafale fighter jet specification, designed and built by Aviation, a French aerospace company. So, Indo-French Defense Cooperation, Rafale MDL is part of broaden India-France defense ties, which also otherwise called for Scorpion class submarines. This is mainly strengthen the India's naval aviation capabilities. The deal strengthens India's Indo-Pacific presence and meet growing maritime security challenge in the region. So, by July 2023, Defence Acquisition Council approves Rafale MD, and 23 to 24 negotiations and contract finalization with France, and Cabinet Committee on Security gives final approval for 63,000 crore deal. Okay. So India's maritime security enhancement is this 26 Rafale M fighter jet. During global trade tension, examine the role of monetary policy in maintaining domestic economic stability. Thank you. Have a great day.